Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. I am Churgas Mama Sigari Channel, a faith healer also at a reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin ang nagsabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly pasilip. Now for the month of January 5 hanggang January 11 for the sign of Taurus. So Taurus, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, ang spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Taurus signs ang ating mga gilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hihirap ko siya for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na ang skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik umapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advices sa'yo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Taurus. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Taurus signs sa ating mga gilap? Tuklasin at bulabugin natin. Okay, so there's something guys with a wheel of fortune with a turning back. So, kumbaga, ito na yung panahon ng, kumbaga, suswertihin ka na. O, ito yung panahon na maaaring bumalik na sa'yo. Ano man yung bagay na what you deserve, no? Ano man yung mga bagay na deserve mo, ano man yung bagay na karapat-dapat sa'yo. No, manunumbalik na. This is something that destined to happen. No, there's something a karma. No, there's a good and bad thing. So, depende yon. So, there's something a wheel of fortune na maaring, kumbaga may karmang maaring manumbalik at bumalik. No, what is additional messages? And of course, there's a justice card. Double clarification. The wheel of fortune and the justice. No, pinapakita talaga, no, na mayroong karma na maaaring maganap ngayong linggong to. Maaaring may papakita at ibabahagi, no, ano naman yung bagay na para sa'yo talaga. No, magiging balanse at maaaring magdala sa ito ng pagbabago. Additional messages. And of course, there's something guys with the use of sword with a mental clarity. Magbibigay ng kaliwanagan sa isip, sa sitwasyon, no, at sa mga bagay na nangyayari sa'yo. Kumbaga, lahat ng bagay na ito magbibigay kaliwanagan. No, magbibigay kayo sa magtatagumpay. And there's something the Eight of Swords. There's a lot of toxic and negativities around you. No, pinapaalalahanan ka lang na napapalibutan ka ng toxic na tao at negatibong sitwasyon na kailangan mo makaalis dyan. And there's something the Queen of Pentacles, no, matuto kang pangalagaan, proteksyonan, ano man yung bagay na hawak-hawak mo. No, pag-ingatan mo ito. And of course, there's something guys with a judgment for a wake-up call. May mga paalala lang sa'yo na you need to pay attention. Na may mga bagay na mas maging maingat ka this time. Na may mga bagay dito na pinaalalahanan ka na hindi ka pa nakinig. What is the Wheel of Fortune? The Wheel of Fortune represents with the Queen of Cups, emotion and intelligent. Na iikot ang kapalaran at maaaring pumabor na sitwasyon sa'yo. At maaaring mas magiging kalmado na ang emosyon mo. Parang there's something tear of joy. Talagang nag-uumapaw na saya na hindi mawari. What is the Justice card? The Justice card represents with an Empress card for revert. See, this is something renewal. No, for life situations, for abundance. Talagang may kasaganahan na maaaring mangyari sa'yo. There's a new beginning is waving. What is the Ace of Swords? Represent with the Page of Cups. Listen to your intuition and listen to your gut feeling. Bibigyan na mas maliwanag na sitwasyon na makinig ka sa iyong mga gabay. Na makinig ka sa iyong nararamdaman. The Eight of Swords represent what? There's a Seven of Pentacles. There's something harvest time. So kaya ka parang nagkakaroon ng delays and cancellation dahil may mga tao sa paligid mo na naiingit behind your back. There's an evil eye. No, kaya nagkakaroon ng postpone delays. Ganon. No, there's a King of Swords with a stop the pattern. Putunin mo na yung mga bagay na hindi nagsaserve. No, yung mga bagay na hindi nakakatulong sa situations mo. Magigpit ka ng sinturon. No, mas maging mature ka kung paano mo po proteksyonan ano man yung bagay na hawak-hawak mo. What is the Justice card? Represent guys with the King of Wands, something ambition. Paalala sa'yo na lagi mong titignan yung mga bagay na maaaring mangyari at maganap. No, yung possibilities. Look at the bigger picture. Let's see what is the Wheel of Fortune because the Queen of Cups. There's a Two of Wands. By choices, piliin mo lang yung mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo. O piliin mo lang yung mga bagay na gagawin mo. No? Alisin mo yung mga bagay na magpapagulo lang sa isipan mo. And this is the world. No? There's a success driven. Maaring nasa ibang bansa ka, o maaring makapag-ibang bansa ka, magtatagumpay ka daw dito. Ito yung matagal mo nang hinihintay. Mangyayari na siya. And there's something, a Six of Cups. Now, there's something related sa'yo na maaring sumasabotay sa'yo. There's an evil eye talaga, napakalapit lang. Kung hindi mo to kaibigan, no, kapitbahay, or katrabaho, or kamag-anak. No, napakalapit lang nitong tao na to na sumasabotay sa'yo. There's an evil eye. No, there's a star card, pero makaka-recover ka from that situations. No, unti-unti na mag-heal sa'yo lahat. No, lahat ng trauma, lahat ng mga nangyari, may kaakibat yan na tagumpay. There's a Knight of Cups, no? May offer talaga na paparating sa'yo na magiging masagana, magiging maayos ang sitwasyon at kalagayan mo dito. For the outcome, there's something, the Hermit card, the answer in this year. So, magbibigay ka liwanagan at kasagutan sa'yo to. No? May mga bagay na maaring masagot na at maaring umikot na. No, let's see. And kung there's something, guys, with a magician for manifestation, with the power of God, no, there's something na parang ibibigay sa iyo yung mundong gusto mo. No? At maaaring ito na yung iikot ang kapalaran at papabor sa iyo. There's a new beginning coming in. And kung there's something, guys, with the Five of Wands, so see, I told you, isa sa bagay na nagbibigay komplikasyon sa iyo ay maaaring nasa paligid mo lang. Makinig ka sa nararamdaman mo. No, merong kang instinct kung sino to, may hinala ka kung sino to, tuldukan mo yan, alisin mo yan. No, alisin mo yan sa situations mo dahil hindi siya makakatulong. There's a Ten of Cups, so see, related sa iyo. A family related. A toxic family related. No, and there's a Two of Swords, kailangan mo mag-desisyon. There's something decision that you need to make. Pero managuguluhan ka. No, gusto mong tanggalin, alisin yan, pero nag-aalinlangan ka. And of course, there's something, guys, with the Six of Pentacles, magtutuloy-tuloy na about sa finances sa'yo. No? And of course, some of you, mag-ingat ka kasi meron ditong offer na parang, kumbaga, mayroong support na maaring, kumbaga, tumulong sa'yo at the same time. Pinapaalalahanan ka na you need to pay attention from this situation. Lagi mo titigay magiging outcome, possibilities, kung bakit ka bibigyan ng ganyan, kung bakit ka tutulungan ng ganyan, may ibig sabihin yan. So, kailangan mas mag-iingat ka. So, let's see, what is additional messages? Now, pagdating sa finances and career, love life at kalusugan. Let's watch this. Now, tuklasin natin at alamin natin ano naman yung mga bagay na mahahagila pagdating sa finances and career, love life at kalusugan. Finances and career, let's see. And there's something, a good news coming in. May magandang balita daw na paparating pagdating sa finances and career. No, and there's a lot of phone call and messages with the Queen of Wands by confident. Lakas naman loob mo, maging matapang ka. There's a lot of movement, ha? Puro wands to. Ibig sabihin, movement. And there's a Six of Wands. Marami pa parating na pera. Marami pa parating na client, customers. No, or either a news. No, that brings you with a big shot. And there's another ones, no? Continue what you're doing. So, sinasabi dito, perseverance, na magpatuloy ka sa ginagawa. All one side fairness, ha? So, more on action dito. Kailangan mo talaga mag-take ng action. And there's a Ten of Wands, no? Alisin mo, nagpakawalan mo na yung mga bagay na nagbibigay pabigat sa situations mo. No? Yung bagay nagbibigay ng bigat. There's a Three of Wands, waiting for a way of a shift. Na darating na resulta. All ones, all ones. Puro ones to. Ibig sabihin dito talagang may paggalaw ng sitwasyon pagdating sa finances mo, darating na yung hinihintay mo. Pagdating sa love life, there's a the Kingman. No, there's a new perspective. Some of you nakakaranas ka na delays and cancellation o maaaring lutang ka. No, pagdating sa relasyon, may gayuma ako na sense dito with the Ace of Cups daw. Mayroon ditong parang obsession or inggit. No, nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage kasi masyado kang open sa tao na to. With the Seven of Wands, something na parang kailangan mo proteksyonin yung sarili mo. And there's a Seven of Wands, sneakiness, no? Nasa paligid mo lang to kumukuha ng information sa'yo. Mag-ingat ka, no? May ahas. And there's a Queen of Swords, clear the boundaries. Ninisin mo talaga na sa paligid mo, no? Hindi lang siya nakakasira sa finance mo, kundi sa love life mo din. So, pagdating naman tayo sa kalusugan, there's an Eight of Pentacles. Just focus. No, mag-focus ka sa kalusugan mo. Sa nararamdaman mo, there's an Nine of Cups na magiging maayos na raw ang iyong pakiramdam. Mag-ingat ka lang sa pagtanggap ng pagkain, ha? May ino-offer sa'yo dito. Pagkain o inumin. And there's a Ten of Pentacles special. Oh, there's something related sa iyo, family related or a friend. I feel something related sa iyo, pamilya. No, there's an Ace of Pentacles, no? Nangutang ng hiram sa iyo to. And of course, there's a Five of Cups, something disappointment. Gusto nito magastusan ka. No, parang malaki ang ngit-ngit nito at inggit nitong tao na to, ha, in fairness. No, there's something the King of Cups. No, there's something devoted for the person. No, I feel something ancestor guide na gumagabay sa iyo. Now, let's see what is additional messages tayo with an Angel Spirit Guides sa mga gabay naman tayo. Ano kayang advice sa iyo ng ating Angel Spirit? What is additional messages with an Angel Spirit Guides? So, there's something, a new career. So, magkakaroon ka ng bagong career. New opportunities. And there's a birthday. No, maaring ngayong birthday season mo. No, mayroong ditong birthday na dadaluhan. Umiwas ka muna for a meantime. What is the Yin and Yang Oracle card? And there's something changes coming in. No, ini-encourage ka dito na may pagbabago na magaganap sa'yo, no? Continue what you're doing. And there's a rejection with a loss. No, may mga bagay na talagang tinatanggal sa situation at sa buhay mo. Just accept na pa. No, kailangan tanggapin mo yon. What is the synchronicities? Represent what? This is something a dreamer. No, may pangarap ka dito na maaaring magbago. No, meron talagang changes, double clarification dito, ha. No, there's something changes, there's something transformation. No, pagdating sa career mo. What is the romance angel for a Mystic Love Oracle deck? Regret and mistakes. Na meron talaga dito nagkamali at ginawang ka ng kumbaga kasalanan. There's a sex good time. So, at the same time, meron talagang third party, maaring natukso yung person mo with other people. O meron ditong, kumbaga, there's a sex, no? Kailangan nyo na intimacy ng person nyo sa isa't isa. And lean on God and angel support. No, ginagabay at sinusuportan ka ng ating angel spirit guides. No, pinoproteksyon at iniingatan ka ng ating Panginoon. What is the Jesus loving code said? You are the light of the world. Ikaw ay magsisilbing liwanag sa mundong ginagalawan mo. So, let's see. What is an angel's number? And an angel's messages pa? Let's see, guys. What is an angel's number? And there's a 5554 change. Talagang there is something changes coming in. No? Ngayong linggong to may pagbabago magaganap sa situations mo. You are going to level up, ha? It might not feel good initially, but it will prepare you to handle the greater things in life for your highest good. That is why you've been looking for it, push through it. There's a reward for waiting for a finish line. What is the Money Oracle deck? And there's a money matter. So this is something all about money. No, invest your money wisely. Mas maging matalino ka na pag-invest sa pera mo. No, what is your shadow work represent what? What is the Money Move Oracle deck? There is something, guys, with a shame and guilt. Meron ditong bagay na parang, kumbaga, pinagsisisihan mo, kailangan mong, kumbaga, tanggapin ng mga pagkakamali mo. No? There's an accept the fact na may mga ganun talaga nangyayari sa buhay natin. No? Kailangan natin matuto, mapagdaanan lahat ng yun. Ganun talaga. For clarifying for a love situation. And of course, there's something nga, guys, with your frequently defenses. No, barriers caused by past hurt, block you, be patient. Tama mo yung pasensya mo dito. No, yung mga bagay na nangyayari sa nakaraan mo, yan yung bagay na parang magdadala sa yung blockages, kaya you need to let go. You need to surrender. What is the clarifying for a life situation? Kasi may mga bagay dito, hanggat hawak-hawak mo pa, hanggat hindi mo pa binibitawan ng buo, no, magbibigay na negatibo yun na pangyayari sa buhay mo. And there's a vortex of creativity. No, ito yung bagay na parang hipo-hipo na parang mas maging maganda at parang mas magiging makulay. Ikaw yung bagay na, ikaw yung magbubuo sa bagay na gusto mo mangyari sa buhay mo. No, parang there's a vision into reality. Ganun siya. No, maraming bagay na parang haka-haka, imahinasyon, na maaaring ikaw yung gagawa ng bagay na parang mabuo or magawa mo yon. No, there's a what lies beneath the future. Parang fantasy mo, ganon. For what lies beneath the future? For what lies beneath the future? There's a recording, announcement, na may mga bagay dito paalala sa iyo na maaaring may mga bagay na marireveal. No, may mga paalala recording, parang there's something a past situation na maaaring pwede mo ulitin, no, pakinggan, no, parang i-reminisce, no, lahat ng bagay na yun para hindi na maulit. For a path of the light, represent what? What is the path of the light? Represent what? Represent, guys, with a dispersion. I take one step at a time. Focusing on the present moment, I release all doubt and fears, allowing peace to all flow into my life and trust. I trust the journey and embrace calm. Manatiling kalmado. No, lahat ng bagay na ito, hinihinay, dahan-dahan, dahil hindi ka naman makakarating sa rurok ng tagumpay ng minamadali at walang shortcut. No? Dahil itong bagay na ito kailangan maranasan, pagdaanan, dahil dyan mo makikita at masusukat no, ang iyong katatagan. So, let's see. What is the pick of yes or no? Alamin natin magiging sagot sa tanong mo? Let's watch this. So, guys, before anything else, no? Ang pick a card yes or no, kung bago ka sa channel ko, ang yes or no pick a card, pwede ka magtanong. Isang tanong, isang sagot. Mag-iisip ka ng tanong at pipili ka na magiging sagot within 1, 2, or 3. Dahil kasi kapag nakapag-isip ka na ng tanong at nakapili ka na ng number na magiging sagot sa tanong mo, please comment down below. So guys, maraming salamat po pala sa mga naghihintay ng aking videos, no? At upload no every single day. Pasensya na kayo kung ngayon na tayo makakapag-upload ulit. Gawa ng maraming pasyente, client orders, international and local. No, marami kasing ganap this past few weeks, this past few months. So, pasensya na po. But definitely, magtutuloy-tuloy na po uploading natin. Okay? So, let's start na. No, let's start with the number 1. Continue ulit tayo. There is something, yes, reap the rewards abundant flow. Dadaloy na at makakamtan mo na ang matamis na tagumpay. Number 2, there is a no, getting caught up, net loss on the tail end of the thing. So, parang tapos na. Nahuli na. Huwag mo na ipagpilitan pa. No? Huwag mo na ipagpilitan isang bagay na hindi para sa'yo. Number 3, there is a yes. Uplift your spirit. Easy to do light work. No? Pag magiging magaang yung trabaho mo kung gusto mo yung ginagawa mo. So, kailangan, no? Kailangan palakasin mo ang confident mo, yung ginagawa mo, dapat mahalin mo yan. No? Diyan ka magiging matagumpay at mapapabilis ang takbo ng sitwasyon. So guys, this is something a weekly pasilip for the month of January 5 hanggang January 11 for the sign of. For the sign of Taurus. So Taurus, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. And because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell for more videos updated. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw ng biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. At maraming salamat po and see you next video. Bye-bye and babush.